Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot tomato sauce at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, a few fresh chili peppers for that kick, and some fragrant herbs like basil and oregano. Don't forget a good quality olive oil, and if fresh aren't available, a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Having your large pot and stirring spoon ready will make the process smooth. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Start by thoroughly washing your fresh tomatoes, then chop them into small, uniform pieces. For the chili peppers, mince them finely. Remember, the more seeds you include, the hotter your sauce will be. Next, peel and finely dice 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatics are crucial for building a rich flavor base for your delicious hot tomato sauce. It's time to cook. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large pot over medium heat. Add the diced onions and garlic, sautéing until translucent and fragrant, which takes about 5 minutes. Then, introduce your chopped tomatoes and minced chili peppers. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. Finally, stir in your fresh herbs and seasonings, letting the sauce cook for at least 30 minutes to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld. Your hot tomato sauce is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to pinch more salt, some freshly ground black pepper, or even a bit more chili for an extra kick. This versatile sauce is perfect over your favorite pasta, as a base for homemade pizza, or even as a zesty dipping sauce. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.